Tim Cook states that Apple would use new chips and that TSMC anticipates annual revenue from U.S. chip plants of $10 billion. When its two planned chip fabrication sites in Arizona begin operations, TSMC projected $10 billion in annual sales on Tuesday. The Taiwanese chip manufacturer announced that it would more than triple its initial $40 billion investment in the factories. By 2024, the first fab will be operational, and by 2026, a second neighboring facility will start making advanced chips. A tool-in ceremony marking the symbolic placement of the first pieces of machinery on the production floor of the new $12 billion plant is being attended by U.S. President Joe Biden and other guests, including the CEOs of significant TSMC clients. When both fabs are finished, we will produce over 600,000 wafers annually, equating $10 billion in annual revenue and over $40 billion in product sales from our clients, said Mark Liu, the CEO of TSMC. According to Liu, the projects generate an additional 13,000 high-pay high-tech jobs, including the 4,500 direct TSMC employees, and will lead to 31,000 construction jobs. Major TSMC clients Apple, Nvidia, and Advanced Micro Devices all stated that they anticipated their chips to be produced in the new Arizona facilities. We collaborate with TSMC to produce the chips that power our products globally. And as TSMC establishes new and stronger roots in America, we look forward to expanding this effort in the years to come, Tim Cook, CEO of Apple, stated. AMD anticipates being a significant customer of both fabs and we're dedicated to cooperating closely with TSMC and the surrounding ecosystem, stated Lisa Su, CEO of AMD. The initial factory, known as Fab 21, still has at least a dozen large cranes erected up surrounding it. The facility is located in Phoenix's north, surrounded by brown hills and open space. TSMC executives, led by founder Morris Chang, 91, together with CEOs of significant machine suppliers including Apple, Nvidia, and AMD, toast the factory opening with sparkling champagne as the new TSMC factory with the flag and a drape reading "A Future Made in America." Phoenix, Arizona stands in the background. Thank you for watching our video. We will keep uploading new videos, so your subscribe and likes will encourage us to create new videos.